we're at 8:59. Timer's on, and we're ready to go.
Okay, so when it's time, it'll be more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 8, and then we slow down a bit. Go.
Do you want to phone Rick at Hornblower?
Sure. Hi, Rick. It's Tina Myers with the Winter Festival of Lights. I was just wondering if you would be able to open the gate for us. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Okay, we're down here with Tina Myers, who's the Executive Director of the Niagara Falls Winter Festival of Lights. She's here for a behind-the-scenes tour, and we're going to explain exactly what we do down here, and I'll introduce her to Doug Fraser, who'll be in charge of this particular site. So just an explanation of how a firework actually works. Every shell, and these are generically called shells, is launched from a tube, also called a mortar, or in the States it's called a pipe. The shell is lowered gently to the bottom of the mortar. Has to be lowered all the way down to the bottom, because if it isn't, then the shell itself isn't going to go to the height which it's supposed to burst, and that could be a danger to the public and to the crew. This is the inside, or this partial inside of a shell. This is gunpowder. This is what lifts it out of the tube. It's lifted by ignition of something we call quick match, which is this. Basically, it's cotton that's impregnated with gunpowder. If I lit this from this end right now, this would burn very slowly, coming something like this. As soon as it hits this enclosed area here, whoosh, instantly ignites. Once that comes down to the gunpowder, that lifts it out of the tube, and at the same time ignites these two fuses. These are called time fuses because they're cut to a particular length, so that as it's ascending in the air, it's burning through the tube. It'll reach the middle of the shell itself and burn through and explode, or ignite and then explode everything that's inside the shell. That's when we get all the various effects.
And how high will these fireworks go in the sky?
So again, they go according to size of diameter. So again, a 5-inch shell would travel approximately 500 feet, give or take the manufacturing. Whoever manufactures it, sometimes they travel a few feet higher or lower. That's generally how you would do it. A 6-inch would travel 600 feet, 4-inch, 400 feet. So each one of these shells for tonight's show or any other show need to get launched out of the pipe up into the sky, and to do that you need to have the igniter attached to the shells. So these igniters get plugged into the module, and then when we fire the show, the current comes through here, sets these off, shoots a flame out, which lights the match, and then in turn lights the shell and shoots it out of the pipe.
It was absolutely amazing. I just had an opportunity to go behind the scenes to see the fireworks over the falls and to have full control over the fireworks. I got to actually ignite them. So I want to thank David Weisel Fireworks for giving me this opportunity, and also invite all of you to come and enjoy the fireworks over the falls every Friday night at the Ontario Power Generation's Winter Festival of Lights.